Hi, I'm Gutch
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Shamira.
from Salle Greenhills, and we are
The Greeninnovators! Presenting to you today our banana leaves wax cloth packaging.
Three Birds.
One stone. That was actually the passion I felt personally from Sir Arvid. From the moment that he invited us, he was very clear. He explained the details and what we were going to be doing right away and straight to the point. And from there, I felt less afraid, and it motivated me to really do my best.
We were very scared about the pitch and the Q&As, but when we went there, it was very light and we really enjoyed it.
I think the most difficult part of this entire process was the paper itself, because it had to be really data-driven, really heavy data, and even though it was really difficult, I think it's very worth it. Yeah.
Judges, did you know that humans produce 400 million metric tons of plastic every year? And 36% of those plastics are actually used for single-use plastic packaging. Acknowledging this issue, the Greeninnovators present Banana Leaves Wax Cloth Packaging, or BLW for short. It is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and reusable food packaging option. This will be reusable for up to 100 washes.
It's crazy how, as young as we are, we're able to create products, create business pitches, and actually be able to go through with them, to be able to alleviate very big, very big issues, not only in the Philippines but the whole world as well.
The universe rather.
The universe, rather. It's a big opportunity like that.